Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Today we are looking at this question. It says evaluate x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 equals to 1 all over 8. So we are going to solve for the value of x from this equation. From here, we are given x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 equals to 1 all over 8. We have situation like this. We need to clear this fraction. So what we are going to do is for us to multiply all through by 8. So this will become 8 times x to the power of 3 plus 8 times x to the power of 2 equals to 1 all over 8 times 8. So this is what we have. So from here, we can see that 8 will cancel here and 8 will cancel here. We are now left with 8x to the power of 3 plus 8x to the power of 2 equals to 1. So 8 is a multiple of 2. 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, x to the power of 3, plus 2 to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, equals to 1. We can see that we have 2 to the power of 3 and x to the power of 3. Do you know that? We say note, when we have a to the power of x times b to the power of x is the same thing as ab, all to the power of x. So in this case, we can represent this in this format. So this will become 2x all to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 x to the power of 2 equals to 1. So from here, this will become 2x to the power of 3 plus this 2 can be written as 2 times 2 to the power of 2 x to the power of 2 equals to 1. So the same format here, we will represent this in this format. So this will become 2x to the power of 3 plus 2. Then we have times 2x all to the power of 2 equals to 1. You can see that we have 2x here. So this is the same thing as having 2x all to the power of 3. Then we have plus 2 into 2x all to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0, because 1 will be transposed into this other side. You can see that the parentheses we have 2x and 2x. So from here, we'll say let 2x equals to y. We are going to substitute the value of y, or substitute y in the place of 2x. So this will become y to the power of 3 plus 2y to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So here, because we have 2y here, this can be written as y to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 2 plus y to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. Then look at this first one. Y to the power of 2 is common, so we can factor it out. So this will become y to the power of 2 into, when we divide y to the power of 3 divided by y to the power of 2, it will give us y. Then this divided by y to the power of 2 will give us 1. Then we have plus y to the power of 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So here, you can see that we have y to the power of 2 minus 1. This can be written as 1 to the power of 2. So here, we have difference of 2 squared, and we also know the solution of difference of 2 squared. When we have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is the same thing as a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to represent this in this format. So this will become y to the power of 2 into y plus 1 plus, here will become y plus 1 into y minus 1 equals to 0. So this is what we have. If you can look at this, we have y plus 1 there and y plus 1. They are common. We can factor it out. So we have y plus 1. Then when we divide the whole of here by y plus 1, will give us y to the power of 2. So we have divide the whole of here by y plus 1 will give us plus y minus 1, all equals to 0. So here you see that we have two parentheses here. It is either the first one equals to 0 or the second one equals to 0. And the second one is quadratic equation. So this first one, let's take one after the other. We have y plus 1 equals to 0. And therefore, y will be equals to minus 1, because 1 will be transposed into this other side. It becomes minus 1. So y equals to minus 1. And this second one, we have y to the power of 2 plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So this quadratic equation, we are going to use a quadratic formula for us to find the value of y from this situation, where we have our value of y equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b to the power of 2 minus 4ac all over 2a. So we need to clean this. So as we said, so we have the quadratic formula here. So here our a equals to 1. Then our b equals to 1. Then our c equals to minus 1. So from here, y equals to, it said minus b. Our minus b is minus 1. Then we have plus or minus square root of 1 to the power of 2, which is b squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times minus 1, which is c, all over 2 times 1. So this will become y equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root of, this is 1 minus 4 times minus 1 will become plus 4 all over 2 times 1 is 2. So this will become y equals to minus 1 plus or minus, we have square root of 5 all over 2. So this is what we have. And we have two solutions from here. So the first value of y, which is y1 equals to minus 1. And recall that we say let 2x equals to y. We are looking for the value of x. So we recall that we said 2x equals to y. So the first value of y here will be 2x equals to minus 1. Therefore, our x, when we divide here, we divide all through, is going to be 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1 all over 2. 2 cancel here 1 and 2 cancel here 1. Therefore, our first value of x1 will be equals to minus 1 all over 2. That's the first value of x1 when y equals to minus 1. Then the second one we have here as two value of y in this place. So we have 2x equals to y. Therefore, for value of y, we have 2x equals to minus 1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. So from here, we can see that we can divide all through by 2. So this will become, we need to clean this. So as we said that we have here, we can multiply 2 or we can divide 2 by both sides. So we say divide both sides by 2. So here will become 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1. Then we have plus square root of 5 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. So this is what it means. 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. Therefore, x equals to minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the second value of x that we have. So here, for the third value of x, where we have from here, we pick from here. So we have 2x equals to y. At y equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. So this will become 2x equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2. So from here, we can multiply both sides by 2, or we can divide both sides by 2. So this will become 2x all over 2 equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. So from here, 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. Therefore, x equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 2 times 2 is 4. So this is the third value of x that we have. So from here, you can see that here y was minus 1 plus root 5 all over 4. So this one, y3, was minus 1 minus root 5 all over 4. So from here, we see that y1 is minus 1. So these are the three possible values of x that we have. That is x1 equals to minus 1 all over 2 and x2 equals to minus 1 plus root 5 all over 4. And our x3 equals to minus 1 minus root 5 all over 4. So those are the three values of x that we have. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on the Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.